Hello everyone. In the previous class we discussed about the 1857 revolt, reasons and the results. Okay. Now in today's class we are going to discuss about the topic tribal revolt. Okay. Today's our topic is tribal revolt. Here tribal means the tribes, the people who are living in the forest areas and who are living in the hilly areas. They were known as tribal people, and they also started revolt. Okay, now against whom? Against the Britishers. Okay, that means in this topic we will learn about the main reasons behind the revolt of tribals against the Britishers. Who were the main tribes and in which year they started the revolt, and in which place they fought against the Britishers, and what was the main reason behind that, and who were the leaders. Okay, now who were the leaders, and finally how the revolt was suppressed by the Britishers. All these things we will discuss in this video now. Okay, so first of all we have to know the main tribes of India who faced lot of problems by the Britishers. Okay, see here, there are so many tribes in India, but here we are discussing about only some tribes. Especially those tribes are Khol tribe, Santal, Bhil and Ramsoi. Okay, these are the main tribes, and how these tribes fought against the Britishers. Okay, the first one, Khol rebellion. Okay, Khol rebellion. See here, the time period is 1831. During 1831, the Khols started a revolt against the Britishers. Here the main reason behind this rebellion or revolt is British transferred tribal lands to outsiders like merchants, landlords and moneylenders. Here the Britishers entered into their area and they started control over that area. Okay, and by using the British army they tortured the tribal people a lot, and here especially the British transferred the lands of Khols to outsiders. Okay, now other than the tribes like merchants, next landlords and moneylenders. To all these persons the Britishers transferred the land of Khols. Okay, so that is the main reason. So because of this reason the Khol tribe got more angry on the Britishers. So here this revolt occurred in Ranchi, Manbhumi and Hazaribagh. See here, Ranchi means you know the place, and Manbhumi, Hazaribagh. All these are the place present in Jharkhand, West Bengal and okay now in that area, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, in those areas these places are present. That means the Khol tribe belongs to the forest area, the hill areas of Ranchi, Manbhumi, Hazaribagh. And here this revolt was led by one person. That person name is Buddha Bhagat. Buddha Bhagat. So he was the person, he led the Khol rebellion against the Britishers. Okay, and finally the result, the revolt was crushed by British in 1932. Okay, sorry, this is 1832. Okay, in the year 1832 this revolt was crushed by the Britishers. Okay, next second type, Santal. Okay, the Santal tribes, they also started one revolt against the Britishers in the year 1855 to 56. During this time period, the Santals revolted against the Britishers. And in which place? See here, in Jharkhand, Bihar and Odisha. Almost these tribes also belongs to the same areas. Okay, Jharkhand, Bihar and Odisha. And the main reason here, the forceful collection of land revenue by police. The British police, the British army collected some land revenues, that means land taxes, from these tribes forcefully. Even though they don't want to pay the land revenue, the Britishers forcefully collected from them. Okay, that's why the people, the Santals got more angry. They suffered a lot. That's why they wanted to start a revolt against the Britishers. So here one person, Sidhu, and one more person, Kanhu. Sidhu and Kanhu, these are the leaders of Santal rebellion. Okay, na? Who led the Santal rebellion? Sidhu and Kanhu. And they fought against the Britishers. Finally, what happened? See here. This revolt also suppressed by the British in the year 1856. Okay, by using their army force, the Britishers suppressed this movement also. And the next one, Bhil rebellion. So the Bhil tribe also started one revolt against the Britishers, that is Bhil rebellion. So during which time period? See here, series of revolts. Series of revolts means one after another, by giving some gap. Okay, so many revolts they have started against the Britishers. Those revolts were occurred in 1825, 1831, 1836 and 1846. A series of revolts led by the Bhils against the British government. See here the place, Hills of Khandeshi. Hills of Khandeshi. Khandeshi Hills. They are present in previous Maratha Empire. That means in Maharashtra region. Okay, in the Maharashtra region, hills of Khandeshi are present. In those hills, Bhils are living. Okay, so these Bhils started one revolt in this place. And here the main reason is Britishers occupied tribes' lands in the year 1818. See here, the Britishers came to this place and they occupied. They means here the Britishers. The Britishers occupied the lands of tribes. That's why these tribal people got angry. They want to take revenge against the Britishers. For that purpose, they started the revolt under the leadership of Sevaram. Okay. Sevaram, he is the leader of this Bhil rebellion and he led the movement in the year 1825. Okay, and next minor revolts led by some others. Here I said na, series of revolts. In the year 1825, Sevaram led that movement and after that again 3 times revolt occurred. In the 3 times different leaders led that movement. Okay, and here all these revolts were suppressed by the British police action. By using the army or police, the Britishers suppressed this movement also. Okay, so in this way all the movements were suppressed by the Britishers. And the next movement is the Ramsoi rebellion. Ramsoi tribe started one revolt against the Britishers, that is the Ramsoi rebellion. Okay, and time period. See here, this movement also occurred in 2 phases, that is 1822 and 1825 to 26. In 1822 one time and in the year 1825 to 26 another time. 2 times they started revolt against the Britishers. And the place Western Ghats, Satara. Satara means this is one of the place present in Maratha Empire. That means in Maharashtra region, especially Western Ghats. In the Western Ghats, the Ramsari tribes are living. Okay, and the main reason, collection of high land revenue. Okay, almost in all the areas, in all the tribal areas, the reasons are same almost. What are those reasons? Either they are collecting high taxes, high land revenues from the tribals, or forcefully they are occupying the lands of the tribes and they are selling to the outsiders. Okay, almost same reasons for all the revolts. And here collection of high land revenues from the tribes. Here this rebellion was led by Chittur Singh, Umaji. Chittur Singh and Umaji. These two persons led this movement. Okay, under the leadership of Chittur Singh and Umaji, all these Ramsari tribes fought against the Britishers for a long time. And finally, the people were given land grants. Here, somewhat the people, the tribals, got success. How? Some of the demands, sanction of land grants to the tribes is successful. Okay, the Britishers given land grants to the tribes. So this is about the tribal revolts. And one more thing is important, that is Sannyasi rebellion. Okay, Sannyasi. I think you know very well about Sannyasi. Sannyasi means saints. Okay, Sant, like that. They also started a revolt against the Britishers. Okay, let's know the reasons. See here, in the year 1769 to 70, during this time period, in Bengal, severe famine occurred. Famine means the situation in which the people suffered with lack of food. That means people did not get any food to eat. That kind of situation is called as famine. This famine may be created by floods or droughts. In both the situations, famine will be created. In that famine, what happens? The people will not get anything for the eating. That's why the situation of the people will be like this. Okay? And during this time, one side the people doesn't have anything to eat. On the other side, the Britishers collected tax on pilgrimage. Pilgrimage means travel to the holy places. Travel to the holy places. All these sannyasis, always they will travel from one place to another place, especially to the holy places. Okay? So here the Britishers collected tax on the pilgrimage from the sannyasis. That's why. And if they were unable to pay the tax, then the Britishers banned their religious travels. For example, you are a sannyasi, okay, and you are going to religious tours or religious travels. Also we can call them as pilgrimages. Now I am one of the Britishers. Okay, I am collecting some tax from you. If you wanted to go to any religious tour, you have to pay some tax to me, and then you can go. If you are unable to pay the tax, then I will impose ban on your religious tour. Okay, that means you are not allowed to go to that religious tours. Then how you feel? Will you feel happy or angry on me? In the same way, the situation of sannyasis also. The sannyasis also felt very angry on the Britishers. That's why the sannyasis looted treasuries of Britishers. Sannyasis looted. They attacked on the cantonment boards and they looted the treasury, that means money and weapons, everything from those cantonments, and fought against the Britishers. Okay, you can see here they are fighting by using guns against the Britishers. Okay, so this is called as Sannyasi rebellion. This is the main reason. Okay, this is the situation and this is the reason, and how they fought, that means how the Sannyasi rebellion started, that is this one. Okay, and here one British officer, Warren Hastings, he suppressed this revolt by using his military police. Okay, Warren Hastings suppressed the Sannyasi rebellion. And about this total information we can get from one book. That book is Anand Math. Okay, this is one of the novel which is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote one novel. The novel name is Anand Math. This is that novel book, cover page. Okay, in this Anand Math he described about the Sannyasi rebellion. Okay, this Anand Math novel will describe about the Sannyasi rebellion, the main reasons, and how they fought and how they were suppressed. Everything mentioned in this book. Okay, so this is a small information regarding the tribal rebellion or tribal revolts.